guys, I just wanted to share with you my little garden and give you some updates. So here's my bandania or shadowbenny as we know it in the Caribbean. It's used for seasoning. Here's my Spanish thyme. These here is just some pawpaw trees that are coming up. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them just yet. And look guys, look at how many tomatoes are coming up again. There's lots and lots of them. As you can see, a lot of them. I can't wait for them to get big and start bearing. Oh, and there's my little lime tree that I have planted here as well, because eventually when the tomato trees die down after bearing, these lime trees will come up. And some more seasoning. Look at these bandania guys. Look at these Spanish thyme. The leaves are so big and nice. More tomatoes, more bandania, and lots more tomatoes again. Yep, I've got a lot of tomatoes coming. Tomatoes, however you say. We say tomatoes in the Caribbean. Everyone has a different way of saying it. Tomatoes. Yes, y'all. So that is my field there with my shadowbenny, my little small garden. Shadowbenny, tomatoes. Oh, and my scythes. Yes, my scythe. In here I've got some, let me show you all, some hot peppers and pimentos coming that I need to transplant. There they are. I've got some inside here too. I have a little weed to weed up there and all. And there's another lime. This is the grafted lime trees. Here's another one. Yeah, I love the smell of these tomato leaves. Tomato. Guys, don't bash me for saying it the way I do. I'm so used to saying it my way. Just wanted you all to see how I've been progressing, how my little garden going so far. I had posted the last time when we had gotten tomatoes off of the last of the trees we had, and they died down after they bared, and so now there's our second wave. Excuse my noisy dog, he's very wild and noisy. Guys, remember when I had shown a video with this? It was really small. Look how big this croton plant has gotten. And there's two of them. This is one. And here's the other one. They really have gotten big. Nature is so amazing. I love watching the plants and the creatures and the animals. It's so nice. Alright y'all, this is a really small lime tree that I had posted before, and it is loaded with limes guys. Look, lots and lots of baby limes. See, it has been flowering so much lately. So many coming up. You see them there? They're kind of camouflaging because it is same color as the tree. But there are a lot of them. Look at how big the slime she gotten, guys. I don't know if you all had remembered the last video I posted with it. It was small, and it's been 3 years since we planted it, and look how big it's gotten. It has gotten really big. Just now we'll be bearing lots of limes. Spider.
Wait,
Seems like you're hard at work at eating my tomato leaves. Oh my goodness. This little fellow decided to eat my leaves. Naughty little bachak. Naughty. He's hard at work. many different spiders I've seen. This one has red on it, and the other one I had before had yellow. These are definitely poisonous, but it's just so amazing. So amazing to see how nature is. Teeny weeny little creatures.